Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Xero with Stripe. Xero is a very nice accounting software, so you can get advantage of it. It's 30 days free, so I'm using this trial to show you how to create integrations, and that's actually one of its flaws because you can't really do them efficiently through Xero. So I'm going to use third-party software, and it's going to be Zapier. First of all, we have to log in into our account at Xero, and then log in into our account at Zapier. Once we do that, and once we are at Zapier in our dashboard, we click on Create Zap. The first trigger will be obviously Xero. We hit the premium option, or Xero premium option. Event, you can pick from all of those, but it's new bank transaction, new bill, or new quote, for example. Let's go with new quote. We hit continue, and now we have to check the account. Here is a Xero account. If you are not, or if you're doing this first time, Zapier will ask you to log in or sign in into your Xero account through Zapier, but it's two-click process, and you don't even have to use two-factor authentication. We hit continue. Now we have to click on the organization, which is basically name of your account at Xero. Quote status, it's gonna be accepted, for example. Continue. And in the next step, we have to test our trigger. Well, we don't have to, but it's always nice. But if you fail it, which I most definitely am going to, we're going to find a new quote, is because this account that I created solely for the purpose of integrations does not have the real account number to it. But we can just skip the test and we'll get all the green flags. You see data and hit continue. Once you hit continue, you are straight away catapulted to the next step, which is action. The action of this will be obviously Stripe. We choose Stripe, event. Also, we have a couple of options here, but we have like create a customer. We hit continue, and then we have to sign in. At the moment, I don't have any Stripe accounts, but since you just hit sign in option, then you just address your email and hit continue. After that, you also pick an account in Stripe. You hit continue button and then continue, and you'll be able to finish your integrations. Just like that, you'll find out and you'll create an integration inside and with Xero and Stripe. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.